Creativity is a process of bringing your imagination into reality. It is a process of giving shape to your dreams. And this creative process has many phases or steps. First, a picture comes into your mind and you keep thinking about it. And then you start the process of making it. Sometimes you get the results according to your imagination, and sometimes you don't feel satisfied with the results. When that happens, don't be afraid to start over. Be daring to erase everything and start afresh. Enjoy the creative mess and learn something from your mistakes. Remember, a beautiful lotus flower emerges from the mud. Almighty has created this wonderful nature to give us this inspiration. You can also create something beautiful from all the things around you. You just need to dream and imagine and enjoy the process of making them into your creation. This tortoise is made with an empty coconut shell. You can see the process of making this tortoise in the first part on my channel. Link is in the top suggestions and in the description. I hope you are enjoying and getting some help from my videos. Consider subscribing to my channel if you have not done it already. Press the bell button for the notifications and share this with your family and friends. You can connect with me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you in the next video.